Dodge Charger drift car, 2010 new models. Factory sealed car. It's 2010 set. They made 3 different colors for this model. Mopar, silver, blue interior. Here's another key difference that I didn't mention about the other car. You know, we have this black car, but the black car has a gray interior. See, gray interior. This blue car down here, turn it. The blue car has a blue interior. I already did the blue car. I just did the blue car. No, actually, I did the black car. We're on to this car. This has a blue interior, gray interior, and blue interior. This is the silver one. Any questions? I'm gonna try and make sure I get that blue in there. Anybody like a blue interior on a toy? Well, this has got it, friends. Oh, by the way, they're all black bases.